How pretty is this glow? I am obsessed with how my makeup looks, and this has been my daily routine for getting like a nice glowy base, and I'm gonna share it with you guys today. I've talked about these before, but we're gonna go a little more into detail, and I bought more, so. These are from Catrice. They are their Soft Glam Filter. I bought these myself. They were not sent to me. I just really like them, and for the price point, I was like, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. So I want to show you guys how I've been using these. I want to show you guys what I'm obsessed with, because I bought more. These are from Catrice. We already talked about them and compared them to e.l.f. and Charlotte Tilbury. These are the Soft Glam Filter. I bought these myself. I originally spoke about shade 20, which is light medium. This one I could kind of use all over my face if I wanted like a quick tint. But I was looking and I'm like, I want like a little more glow. So I went with a lighter shade. And then I got this tan deep color, which is good to kind of warm up my skin. But then I was like, I want a little bit more bronzy. And I got shade 98. So we're gonna swatch them again. We're gonna do my face right now with this and how I've been kind of doing my makeup and just showing you like different alternatives. I really like it. Overall, these products can be used on any skin tone, so I like that. They can be used to highlight, they can be used to bronze, whatever you want. I do like that the colors are like, I feel like they work on most skin tones. Like they're more neutral, I would say, than like, for example, the e.l.f. had a lot of peachy undertones and I wasn't crazy about that. This is 10 fair light, 20 light medium, 80 tan deep, 98 deep. And when I turn my hand, you see the really pretty glow that it bounces off. Now I'm gonna blend these out. So when you blend it out, it's more sheer. It's definitely not as much pigmentation as the e.l.f. or as Charlotte Tilbury, but that's what makes this product so flexible. So a couple of things that I like to do is I'll either kind of underpaint with it or I'll overpaint. I'm gonna do 10 on this side, 20 on this side, and then I'll show you how I bronze up on either side. So this is 10. This is the lighter shade. This is gonna work on anybody who's about my skin tone and even more fair. And if you are very fair, there are other lighter shades also. There's like, I think 2 more shades before this one. So even though it's light, it still works with my undertone, and I just freaking love this glow. What I love about this product too is it doesn't emphasize my pores. Not that I have big pores, but if you use anything that has a metallic finish, have some kind of pore, or you're over the age of 10, you're gonna see it. This is 20. 20, I can kind of get away with it as like almost like a little bit of a skin tint, because it's got more pigmentation to it, but not a lot. By all means, not a lot. So what I've been doing is, I guess depending on my mood, I will do this one. If I want like a little extra glow, I pop that 20, the 10, the fair light on top of my foundation. And I'm gonna show you. I'm basically gonna walk you through how I've been doing my makeup. So I'll put that on. See how it's a nice glow, but this side is just, it's popping just a little bit more. And again, this is them kind of like dried down. That lighter color just, it has a little bit more of a highlight to it. So, and you know I love highlight, so I'm gonna go for it. Then what I do is, so let me do 80, the tan one, and then the deep on this side. Because this is great if you are fair skin and you do want to underpaint, you can do that. 81. This is kind of like a little bit kind of golden where I can take it and just do this. Now, if I wanted to, I can do this and kind of be out the door, or even really just apply it all over. It's gonna be enough color to just slightly tint my face. So I had first gotten this color and I like it, but I find like it pulls just a teeny bit green on me. When I have more color in the summer, this would work better. This color is really nice on my skin tone. So this is the 98, this is that deep one. Let me show you the difference in color. So because this one has a little bit more of a reddish tone to it, like slightly, this one looks like more like a tan, like an actual tan versus this one, I think. But again, they're so sheer that it's gonna work regardless. So I do that, and then I take my foundation. This one's been my jam. This is the New Drop Tinted Serum Foundation. I give it a good shake. I hate the dropper application because this gets a little bit messy, so I just kind of take whatever's on the top, kind of blend it out, my hand, and I just bounce this everywhere. So this is gonna basically pull everything together. So the formulas that I like with these products, I love because they're so lightweight and fluid, and they just glide across the skin. See, now, I know I said before it kind of looked a little bit green, but once I mix everything, it just looks so nice. It's really, really nice. And then this side too, I'm gonna just go over. I just find that the foundation just mixes with everything, and it just gives like this really pretty seamless blend. I don't know, I think it's fun doing this. I enjoy it very much. So when I'm doing my makeup, I'm like painting or something. It's very relaxing. So even though we layered like a couple of products on my face, it doesn't even look like I have like a ton of makeup on. My skin just looks really good. So that bronzy shade that I did under here and on this side does peek through, and it looks good. And then just for a little extra boost, I'm gonna go back to that highlighter one in number 10, and I'm gonna pop it on my cheeks and show you. Like I love, like it really does give you like this really pretty like filtered effect. So I take it and I just, really pretty. I don't know, I've been obsessed with this, and then I'll like pop on like a little bit of a blush, mascara. It's a very like ethereal kind of glow. Like, look at that. That's it. That's it. I'm done. That's kind of what I've been doing, and I don't know, I like it. And everybody's like, oh, your skin looks so good, you look so healthy, like, because I'm highlighting it, I'm bronzing it, I'm contouring it, whatever, and I'm putting foundation. But honestly, like, the trick is less is more, and you don't have to do a lot of layers to kind of get this effect. I think you just need a really good illuminator or like a glow booster. So I don't know, try these out. They're $10, you get them on Amazon. If you don't like them, you can always send them back. But this has been like my little secret sauce, my little concoction that I've been doing under my foundation, and I like it. I like it because it doesn't look overwhelming, it doesn't look heavy or anything like that, it just looks like skin. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one.